Nestled amongst ancient trees, it promises a day of peace. Dew-kissed leaves shimmer with morning's embrace, each droplet a tiny jewel reflecting the new day's promise. Nature's quiet beauty unfolds. A gentle breeze whispers through blooming flowers, their petals unfurling in a silent symphony of color. The garden breathes with life. The rustic home, bathed in the soft glow of morning, stands as a beacon of warmth. A perfect start to a peaceful day. Inside, a gentle mother animal stirs, her soft fur brushing against her little ones. It's time for morning's sweet awakening. Tiny yawns and sleepy stretches fill the air as the baby animals slowly greet the day. A new adventure awaits them. Hand in paw, the family ventures into their vibrant garden. The crisp morning air invigorates their spirits, ready for gathering. With practiced grace, the mother animal gathers fresh vegetables, her movements gentle and purposeful. A bounty from nature's embrace. The little ones, with eager paws, pluck juicy berries from bushes. Their laughter, a sweet melody in the morning air. Close-up of tiny paws, carefully selecting the ripest fruits. Each touch, a connection to the earth's generous offerings. Baskets full, they return to the warmth of their kitchen. The promise of delicious treats fills the air with anticipation. The kitchen, a haven of warmth and light, awaits their culinary magic. Ingredients are laid out, ready for transformation. Thrit. With practiced hands, the mother animal begins to knead the dough. A rhythmic motion, a labor of love for her family. Little paws join in, eager to help, flour dusting their tiny noses. Their joyful efforts fill the kitchen with cheer. A close-up reveals the soft, pliable dough, transforming under their gentle touch. The promise of deliciousness takes shape soon. The aroma of freshly baked goods fills the air. Warm steam rises, a comforting invitation to taste. The family gathers, sharing the fruits of their labor. Each bite, a taste of home, love, and simple joy. As afternoon unfolds, sunlight streams through the window, painting golden patterns on the floor. A gentle transition to quiet comfort around the hearth. The family gathers, finding solace in each other's presence. A perfect moment for quiet reflection. The mother animal pours steaming tea into small, delicate cups. A ritual of comfort, shared with love. The baby animals sip their tea, their eyes wide with contentment. The warmth spreads through them, body and soul. The mother animal reads from a treasured book, her voice a soft murmur. Stories unfold, painting worlds in their minds. The little ones listen intently, captivated by the tales. Their imaginations soar, carried by the gentle narrative. Quiet moments shared, gentle smiles exchanged. The simple joy of being together, wrapped in warmth and affection. Soft, warm light from the hearth dances on their faces, highlighting the peaceful scene. A perfect afternoon of comfort. The firelight casts long, dancing shadows, creating a magical ambience. The day gently winds down. The mother animal gently tucks one little one into their tiny, cozy bed. A tender moment of love and care. Another, ensuring each precious child is snug and warm. Their dreams are about to begin. Her voice, soft and soothing, reads a final bedtime story. Each word, a lullaby guiding them to slumber. The little animals drift off to sleep, their breathing soft and even. Peaceful dreams now fill their innocent minds. With a final loving glance, the mother animal quietly leaves the room, leaving them to their sweet dreams. Under the gentle glow of the moonlight, the woodland home rests. A day of peace concludes, promising another tomorrow.